Hi, today I'll be looking to upgrade my setup with this blue Snow Black Ice microphone. I noticed it was laying around my house. I thought to myself, let me unbox this and actually put it to some use. Have a closer look at the box, going to let you see it. You've got blue ice on that side. That's another side of the box. And that's another side of the box. Insert labelings on there. Bottom side of it and the top. So we'll look at what it's offering. It's a customer condensed capsule offering crystal clear audio. It's USB capable, adjustable desktop stand. And it's also plug and play. You don't have to install any drivers to get it to work on your laptop or PC or Mac. Okay, let me start. Just open the box there. I think it's in the box. It's got a top compartment. Oh yeah. Okay, that came out differently. Right, that's come out. Fingers upside down. That's the top compartment. Put it to one side. Right. Okay, let's have to see this. Okay, just lifting this off. Just lifting this off. Comes out like that. And that seems to be, that's your packaging. That seems to be, what's this one? There's your microphone itself. This one here. It's a black ball. It's actually got Snowball Ice on there. There's the brand, the logo, blue. And at the back you've got the USB connection. For you to connect. And the bits for you to screw on is the stand. Let's open up this bit here, go from the sides. You've got a stand. It's got, what is it? It's got something on top to protect it, I think. Yes, no it hasn't, okay. It's got a stand. Put that down there. You've got some instructions. It says on here, instructions. Give it C, instructions. If you didn't get it the first time. It says clear difference. Okay. 20p discount on our store. So I suppose you can use this. And you got some plug and play instructions. And we have a cable. Right, that's it. Nothing more in the box, everything's taken out. So all you've got to do is take this and screw it into the bottom. Tight like so. There you have it. Stand. Yep, and that's how it sits on the desk. That's going to test this later and see what I think about it. If you like what you see, click a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.